Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Through this video, we will continue our journey of learning basic vocabulary in the Kashmiri language. However, if you have not checked out our earlier videos that have been published already, do consider checking them out by following the link under the description of this video. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me when I speak the Kashmiri words that are highlighted in red color in the slide. Let's get started. Shand, Shand, a pillow or a support. Shant, Shant, calm, quiet, peaceful. Shan, Shan, shoulder, or sometimes Shana is also used to show boldness. Shash, Shash, fast breathing or suffocation. Sometimes asthma is also referred to as shash. Shah, Shah, breath, respiration. Shah is a word used for kings as well. Shan, Shan, dignity, splendor, or glory. Sham, Sham, evening. Sharmi, Sharmi, in the evening itself. Shamarang, Shamarang, black color. Shamasandar, Shamasandar, beautiful, or a name given to Lord Krishna in Kashmiri. Let's repeat all these words in quick succession now. Shant, Shant, Shan, Shash, Shah, Shan, Sham, Sharmi, Shamarang, Shamasandar. That's it in this lesson. See you in the next one. Bye bye.